Hello everyone, I Aditi Mehta welcome you all in this English grammar tutorial on Memory Genius channel. So let us continue the practice of English aptitude that is extremely important for all of the competitive exams. So the first sentence for today is Paul fell off his bike dash he was going round a corner. You know, in the second part there is a reason for the first part. Like first part जो हमारा है Paul fell off his bike, वो बाइक से गिर गया, and in the second part we have given a reason, and when we are to give a reason we always use a preposition as, because, तो इसीलिए हमारा जो A option है यहाँ पे that is as is the correct option. If we talk about option number B, that is as if means, एज इफ का मतलब होता है, इसका मतलब ये है, तो ये दैट इज द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन हेयर, एंड द सी ऑप्शन इज लाइक दैट ऑल्सो वॉन्ट गो हेयर, सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज एज. Next sentence for today is Peter has seen dash match his favorite football team has played in the last 10 years, and the options with us are first option is each, second option is all, and the last option is every. So let us talk about the options first of all, because we are following the technique of omission. I told you in the last videos also कि हमने जो wrong option होता है हम उसको omit करते हैं and then we get the final answer. So let us discuss the options first of all. Each and every, they both are used with singular nouns, और इनको हम quantity बताने के लिए हम represent करते हैं. Each is used to show 2 or more items, and every is used to show 3 or more items. लेकिन देखिए डिफरेंस क्या है इन दोनों में, एक डिफरेंस है, दैट इज अ मेजर डिफरेंस. व्हेन वी आर थिंकिंग ऑफ आइटम्स इंडिविजुअली, जब हम इंडिविजुअली बात करते हैं आइटम्स की तब हम ईच का यूज करते हैं, लेकिन जब हम कलेक्टिवली बात कर रहे हैं, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑप्शंस, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द आइटम्स collectively, then we use every. और यहाँ पे in this sentence, if we talk about the sentence, here we are talking about the collective matches, कि जितने भी मैच अब तक हुए हैं 10 years में, Peter has seen every of those match. So the right option here is C, that is every. And also if we talk about the B option, all, if it is all, तो all के साथ plural आना चाहिए, all goes with plural noun, that is all matches होना चाहिए था, लेकिन क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिंगुलर है तो सिंगुलर के लिए हम each और every में से ही हमको एक ऑप्शन का चूज करना है, और क्योंकि कलेक्टिव आइटम है यहाँ पे, कलेक्टिव मैचेस हैं, इसीलिए we'll choose the option every, that is C option. So next is please can you stop talking, I need to concentrate dash my work. After concentrate, we always use a preposition on. So B option is the right one, and A and C would be omitted. So B is the right option, on. I need to concentrate on my work. Next is, when Simon left the company, Kate didn't apply for his job. She said she dash it. So let us discuss the options. First is doesn't want. B option is hasn't wanted, and the last option is didn't want. So if we talk about the sentence, first of all you have to see for the hints, for the clues. Like अब इसमें एक hint है हमारे पास, very clear hint, that is when Simon left the company. Left is second form of the verb, that is past tense. तो ये क्योंकि sentence past tense का है तो हमने इसको, हमारा जो option रहेगा past tense का ही रहेगा. और अगर हम अपने options की बात करें तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ C जो option है, C option, that is didn't want, सिर्फ यही past tense का option है. A और B दोनों present tense के option है, तो present tense would be omitted, and the past tense, that is didn't want, will come here. So C is the right answer for us. Next is Charles and Emma have dash after 5 years of marriage. First option is split up, B option is broken down, and C option is dropped out. So let us discuss the options. Look, देखिए split up means to get separate. लीगली हम सेपरेट हो जाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्प्लिट अप. ब्रोकन डाउन, broken up is generally, breakup is generally used for termination of friendship or any romantic relationship, that is breakup. But broken down means कि when you are very upset, when you are very depressed, तो उस सेंस में broken down का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड dropped out means जब आप किसी भी कोर्स को, किसी इंस्टीट्यूट को आप बीच में ही छोड़ देते हैं, that is called dropped out. Okay, suppose like some students they drop out from their engineering courses in the mid between, you know, तो बीच में छोड़ देते हैं तो उसको हम drop out बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे the right option for us would be split up, because split up means legal separation. तो हमारा option रहेगा A. Next is, sorry, I'm dash, the traffic was terrible. And the options are later, next option is late, and the last option is lately. Later means baad mein, you know, after some time. So A option will not fit here. If we talk about second option, late, that is the right option. Sorry, I am late. मैं late हूँ क्योंकि the traffic was terrible. And the last option is lately. The meaning of lately is, you know, आजकल, recently. So that won't go here. So B is the right option with us. Next is, I have put on weight now and now I am dash for many of my clothes. First option is too fat. Second option is fat enough. And the last option is fatter. So if we talk about the first option, that is too fat, that is right one. कि अब I have because I have, you know, gained weight, that is why I am too fat now and my clothes, they don't fit me. Okay, so A option is the right one. If we talk about the second option, B, that is a positive word, you know, with the, if we say fat enough, तो इसको हम positive sense में use करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे इस sense में ये denote नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे it won't be used here. And the last one is fatter. Fatter means when you are comparing, you know, it's a comparing form and we are not comparing between two things here. Okay, तो ये वाला हमारा comparative degree नहीं जाएगा, इसीलिए A is the right option, that is too fat. Next is, the large hole in the road prevented us dash any further. Options are, first option is from driving, second option is to drive, and the last option is drive. After, you know, prevent, we always use the preposition from, so it has to be from driving. So A is the right option and B and C would be omitted. Next is, don't forget to send your mother a birthday card. I have done it dash, I sent her one this morning, you know. The options are still, next option is already, and last option is yet. Okay, I have done it dash, you know, this is example of present perfect tense. And if we talk about the options, first option is still means ab tak, you know, so it won't be used here. Next is already means कि पहले कर दिया है, the work that you have done, you know, to denote that sense we use the adverb already. So adverb already would come here, that is I have done it already, कि मैं ये पहले ही कर चुका हूँ. Yet will not go here, okay, because like B is the right option with us. So B is the right option, that is already. Dash, these apples I bought from the supermarket is bad. देखिए again if we talk about the option, first is every of, then is everyone of, and the last is all of. So if we discuss the options, you know, we use every with singular countable nouns. सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के साथ हम एवरी का यूज करते हैं और ऑल का यूज हम करते हैं प्लूरल नाउन के साथ. अब यहाँ पे व्हाट द यू नो स्पीकर वांट्स टू से, ही वांट्स टू से कि जितने भी एप्पल में ले गए हर एक एप्पल वो सारे के सारे खराब हैं, एंड फॉर दैट वी यूज एवरी वन ऑफ. एवरी वन ऑफ मीन्स कि जितने भी एप्पल्स हैं उनकी टोटलिटी जो सारे के सारे एप्पल्स हैं वो एक एक पीस खराब है. ओके, सो वील चूज द राइट ऑप्शन, दैट इज बी. सो बी इज द राइट चॉइस फॉर अस. Okay, I hope that you have understood every of the statement, and still if you have any doubt you can ask me. Share this video and please subscribe this channel. You can watch our important playlist that is on the website, and the link is given in description box. You can also get my English speaking course. The detail is given on the website, and thank you so much.